Aleph Group Inc. is a mobile medical manufacturer located in Riverside, California. With over 24 years of experience, AGI has proudly completed hundreds of projects nationwide and around the world, delivering healthcare solutions where it's needed most. AGI's mobile medical clinics are built from the ground up. 100% of our production is built in our warehouse. Our process starts with the chassis, the foundation of every mobile clinic we build. Our engineers design each clinic with precision and care, tailored to our clients' needs. AGI uses all aluminum construction for the body, which is lightweight, durable, and safe. From concept to completion, our dedicated team is committed to creating mobile clinics that make a difference in our communities and around the world.